Hello friends and knife nerds, this is the Geo Knife Ethereal. Let's take a closer look. So I stumbled across this thing and took a gamble, and it absolutely paid off. Ultim scales, M390 steel, titanium hardware, friends. Pivot collar, screws. I don't know about the pocket clip, but $70, guys, for titanium hardware, Ultim, and an M390 blade, 3 inches in fact, and the action is sick. And you can see here they have an adjustable Omega spring inside this thing. Absolutely awesome action. Thumb studs for deployment, a beautiful drop point with a stonewash finish and a flat grind. Looks really nice, very conventional looking, but I like that. Conventional, nice profile, excellent action. You see that? Thing whips around. I am rough on my pivots and all of my Omega springs. And I need one that's going to settle nicely and take a beating, and this thing has done an excellent job. In case anybody out there who doesn't know, an Omega spring is an adjustable spring for a crossbar lock, and you see these different holes you can right now it's on the loosest setting, but if you move these closer, it will tighten the tension on your Omega spring, which can lead to a tougher detent, depends on how you like it. And then titanium pivot collars here, titanium hardware. This thing is one heck of a value. It will be just the first, but not the only knife I check out, and I really was excited to show you guys about this. $70 is going to get you one heck of a knife. They say the HRC on the M390 goes from 60 to 62. Count me in. Beautiful edge on this thing as well. Carried it for a couple of days and it is awesome. It stood right up to it, and the thumb stud placement is absolutely perfect. That is not a finger choil, but you got jimping right back here, and that swedge is where your finger is going to end up if you're trying to take a finer cut. So no jimping up top, but who cares as far as I'm concerned. Maybe in a future model of the Ethereal. They have a few others. I believe they're relatively new, but they're starting off super strong. And you can see there's like no liner in here. There's these very small liners just for the gear on the axis lock system. That's why this thing is really light. Let me get you guys some specs here. I want to know if you're going to be as impressed as I am, because I am impressed with this. So we have a 3-inch blade, okay, and then overall we are looking at 7.1 inches, give or take a little there. And then weight wise, what do we have? Let's see, 2.43 ounces. Like this is an actual bug out killer. Not like the others aren't, but I mean, the equipment used here, many other brands would charge much more for. M390 is not something you usually find in a budget knife, and I would classify this $70 knife as a budget knife. $70 is actually my cutoff for budget, and this slams right in there. A budget knife with M390 Ultim, which I really like, and it's textured Ultim, so it's grippy. And it's super strong, no liners, and it's super lightweight. It's just worth bragging about. Let me give you guys a quick comparison here. Here is the Shaman, excuse me. I know I get yelled at all the time for that. And then the Para 3. Give you some size ideas, how large this knife is. The Shaman's a large knife. This is just an ideal EDC knife here, friends, for 70 bucks. Now, I know there's a titanium version that is also pretty well priced. It's like 120, 130, I believe. But the fact that you can get an M390 blade in Ultim for 70 bucks, and it's really lightweight, I mean, count me in. You did. They did. So this is really cool. I want to know if you guys agree with me. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the comments.